everyone, it is Heart and I am here on SSI's YouTube channel. I am going to talk about all of their amazing brands. I'm such a huge fan of SSI, so thank you so much for having me on your channel. It was just my birthday and I was so overwhelmed with all of the gifts that I got. But today is even another video, so I decided to create this vlog with all of you to share the amazing collection that SSI can offer. I am a good friend of the family, so I have here Anton Huang. And hi to Nikki, my dear sister. And it says, "Dear Heart, thank you for your continued support for SSI. This is Anton Huang." Thank you so much, Sir Anton. Thank you for all of the gifts that you guys have been sending me throughout the years. I just love all of your brands, so I cannot wait. So I'm gonna start with the very first. So I grew up in San Francisco, and Payless was so fun to go to because there were so many shoes, and one aisle was a size 7, one aisle size 5. So I remember for school, aside from Steve Madden, I used to wear that, we would also go to Payless. Let's look at their shoes. So nice! So this is the Fioni collection. It has the clear strap, which is very, very beautiful and sexy on the feet. This is definitely something I am going to be using. What I love about Payless, they have insoles and heel grips, which is very, very convenient. I like the whole snake skin, the detail in the back, and what I love about Payless, you pay less. Thank you so much, guys. I am so happy with my shoes. I'm going to open the next one. Okay, I'm so overwhelmed. Let's try Women's Secret. My friend Nikki, she's a princess of SSI. You can also watch her on actually their YouTube channel. And she would always wear really nice pajamas, bathing suits whenever she go to the beach. And ooh, this is a bra top. I like that. Definitely love it. Oh, thank you. They also gave me gray. I love it. I think these are like the basic ones that you always have to pack with you whenever you're traveling. Silk pajamas. Love that. Comes with the pants. I think Nikki showed me this before. I love polka dots. I think it's very elegant. It also reminds me of Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. When she went to watch the polo game, she was wearing something like this. Thank you so much! And we are only just beginning actually, so I'm so excited. Okay, let's go to... This is from Geiger. I love their bags, and I love their shoes also. It's actually a brand based in London. They have this in Rockwell. Of course, I know it because I remember attending the opening and I just went cray over their stuff. They gave me a bag. And I love their bags because their bags have like tweed and chains and gold. Let's see what they gave me. Ah, I knew it! I love it. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Oh, I can match what I'm wearing. I'm gonna wear it as a shoulder bag. Yeah, you know, I just went to the grocery and I just have to do a few errands. Parang ganon like that. So yes, thank you so much. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, guys. I am such a fan. Ano ba? Okay, Marks and Spencer. Marks and Spencer has been like a legend. And let me just say that their minted caramel candies are the bomb. It's the best. Oh, Snoopy! Yes! Oh my god, I love it so much. This is so cute. I'm so kilig. I actually have a Winnie the Pooh oversized t-shirt that I got when I was 12 years old. And it just went through so much because I use it every time I'm feeling bad or I'm sick. Definitely have a substitute. Yes, thank you so much. Wala na talaga. Next up, we have Kenneth Cole, New York. Okay, so I had the privilege of meeting actually Kenneth Cole in person, and he's such a humble guy, so easy to talk to. It was just so nice meeting the people behind the brand and getting to know them. I've always been a fan of Kenneth Cole, and this is actually a mask. I definitely need a mask. Oh, you don't need to put a filter. Oh, and it's nice and black. Yes, thank you. We're in this together. We are now moving into... This is from Springfield. Dear Heart, wishing you the happiest birthday from the Springfield PH team. Thank you so much. I love... Oh, so pretty. Oh, this is really, really nice. Yes, I love this top. Shall I move to the next? Massimo Dutti. Oh my God, I just love Massimo Dutti. People from Rockwell, Massimo Dutti, they know me. And they've seen everyone I dated. Just kidding. I think they gave me shades. I'm always in the mood. Oh, yes! You know, charat. And it matches this. You could use like a nice monochrome look. I love this, and I actually wanted these shades. This is what I love about Massimo Dutti. Their knits are so beautiful. Definitely going to wear this. So pretty. Nice. This is the Manhattan Lights. Let me try. This is Souffle Marie. Would you like to try? Wait. I am bango. This is Evening Whispers. I'm guessing that this has a bit more of a stronger scent. Morning, Manhattan Light, then lunch with friends, then Evening Whispers with the one that you're eyeing for. Oh, it's really nice. I like, this is my favorite, I think. Evening Whispers. It's very sweet. Super bango. Definitely a good set, guys. Really nice set. Thank you, Massimo Dutti. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go to the finest teas of the world, TWG. This is Silver Moon Tea. Yes, I love Silver Moon Tea. Thank you so much. This makes me so happy. I just love preparing tea also because it's just so relaxing and yes, so yummy. I used to go to Rockwell, but they don't have that anymore. They have it now in Shangri-La, and I miss everybody there. So just want to say hello to all of you. Aww. Banana Republic! Oh my goodness! This, I have so much memories with Banana Republic. Growing up in San Francisco, they had this in Hillsdale Mall, and I used to hang out in Hillsdale Mall all the time. And when I heard that Banana Republic was here in Manila, I went wild. They also have really nice accessories, so I love this. So let's read their letter. Hi Heart, we hope you enjoy our gift from our newly launched collection. Oh, a nice pleated skirt. Beautiful. Comes with a nice top, really pretty. You could also wear this with like khaki jeans. You could wear it with anything. I'm overwhelmed. I mean, I love my luxury goods, but I love clothes that are affordable yet quality. And I do love ZARA. Happy birthday! May your special day be as stylish as you are. Keep moving fashion and lifestyle forward. Thank you so much, Christine. Oh, the last time I saw you guys was before the pandemic, so I really, really miss you, but I did visit you guys in One Bonifacio BGC, and I just love going to ZARA. Aw, you know me so well. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. I love the tweed. I love its crop top. Very chic, very young. Now I'm shopping. Ay, it comes with cute shorts. It's so me. This is very pretty. This is so, so beautiful, ZARA. I miss you guys. Thank you so much for sending me. Ano ba? Okay, so next, this one is super becoming because of the cut. It makes your arms actually look thinner because it shows a little bit more skin. Oh, it's like a wrap dress. I love the color. Thank you so much. It's a white vest. Thank you. It's so pretty. Guys, yeah. Thanks so much. So it is Women's Month, so I also wanted to share that these are actually perfect gifts for your mom, for your friends, just, you know, to show a little push of love. And also, again, it's all about celebrating one's individuality and self-expression. Let's just support each other when it comes to being a woman and expressing yourself, because at the end of the day, we all want each other to be happy. exciting. We have Michael Kors, Burberry, Bally, Tory, Burch, Marc Jacobs, Kate Spade, Tod's, Furla, and Tommy Hilfiger. Let's start with Tito Tommy. I love, love, love Tommy. I also was able to watch their show. I saw Gigi Hadid and Zendaya, and it was just so fantastic. A lot of people love Tommy Hilfiger. This is Tommy Icons. Look at that. You guys know my style so well. I love this. This fabric, the fit is so perfect. It just falls really, really nice. It's elegant, so beautiful, and I love the colors, the details, and the texture. Thank you so much, SSI. I'm so, so excited to wear this. I think I'm gonna wear this later afternoon. Next! I love Michael Kors. Always so elegant. Thank you so much. And it looks like hearts, so that's why I like it. You can wear it with boots or rubber shoes or even, again, Payless. Anything, actually. This is really, really beautiful. So thank you so much. Marc Jacobs, also a favorite brand. I love their bags, accessories, and oh, guys, this is so pretty. This is the bag that everybody loves. I think this is the newest version, if I'm not mistaken, because it has 2 compartments. Usually it's thinner. They also come in colorful ones. This is very me. It's very classic. What I love about Marc Jacobs is their attention to detail. Their hardware is really, really nice. This is so, so beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. It's already March, but it's still my birthday. I'm so happy. Furla. Also such a nice brand. I remember they came out with like really nice jelly bags, which I also went crazy for. Their bag charms are also really nice. Ooh. Aww. Favorite ka na to. Oh, it's a twilly. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Furla. Let's go for Tod's. I love how they always package stuff. Oh, what is this? This is... And then you could leave your accessories on top. It's really good to have around. Oh, I think it's a bag charm. It is. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. So I'm going to show you how we would actually put this here on the side. And I think I'm just going to put it in here because it's a cute accent. There. See? Next we have Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade ever since I can remember. They had really nice like boxed bags. It was pink, really dainty, and just said Kate Spade, super iconic. And I love how they've evolved and really made other designs. Oh, this is the one! Yes, I wanted this. So this is so cute. It has the cherry prints, and it's like a set. And as you see, I love sets. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Ang ganda, ganda. So thank you so much, Kate Spade. I love it. SSI, love you guys. We have from Burberry. I just want to say I love how Burberry has just really leveled up their game. So modern. Look how different it is now. And dearest heart, may you receive double the love on this special day. Happiest birthday to you from all of us at Burberry. Thank you, Burberry. I have yet to visit you guys in Greenbelt. So thank you so much. It's so cute. I love pleated skirts. I love anything white, and I think this is just such a good combination of a classic yet chic, funky skirt that I can definitely and will definitely wear with all the stuff that I have here in the closet. This definitely belongs in my closet because it's very me. classic with a twist, timeless stuff that I like, but a little eccentric and eclectic. So I love that. Last two gifts for today, last two unboxing. I'm going to start with, of course, Tory Burch. I'm also such a fan of her as a person, just how she is. So I love her style and her aesthetics. Ang ganda. So nice! Thank you so much. I love this bag because it's, you know, I love it how she comes up with designs that are beautiful, dainty, really friendly for people that are on the go working, who have busy lives, but yet don't want to lose their individuality and their style. And I think that's really women empowerment, is really kind of coming up with this message that, yes, we all have our lives to live, but it's really important that we don't forget our style ourselves. This is beautiful. I love the shape. I love how there's just so many compartments. This is also a really nice safety compartment. I always love a safety compartment. And so much. And there's another one here. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my God, this is actually one of the favorite ones. So thank you so much. I love it! This is the last one, yes. So Bally has always been a favorite and staple. We used to go to Bally all the time. They're known for their strap and their stripes. That's always been so iconic. Oh my God, what is it? Oh. Yes, exactly. They are known for that. This is super iconic. And guys, I love it so much. I love small bags and it's just so pretty. So I just want to say thank you so much, SSI, for sending me all these gifts, and all the brands you bring in are just a good mix of, you have the high ends and the low ends, and makes everybody happy. Kind of gives us inspiration and inspires us that we can actually attain a certain level of fashionability. That's such a word, but so yeah, it's important that as a person that you're able to celebrate your individuality, your self-expression when it comes to fashion. So again, thank you so much, SSI. And that is it for my unboxing with SSI's YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me as well on my socials, on Instagram and on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun vlog that we did for them. Such an inspiring day, and I hope you guys are inspired. This has been Heart. Bye!